When sexual impulses do not find their explicit resolution, they morph into a spectrum of emotional experiences classically associated with love, including yearning for nearness and openness to self-sacrifice. According to Freud, love within the heterosexual union is the combined force of direct sexual release and inhibited, frustrated sexual energy. When speaking of these romantic experiences, Freud states, all these tendencies are an expression of the same instinctual impulses. In relations between the sexes, these impulses force their way towards sexual union. But in other circumstances, they are diverted from this aim, or are prevented from reaching it. Freud, the Darwinist, centers the human organism's psychology on the necessity to survive and reproduce. From the materialist perspective, this is a difficult axiom to argue against. Everything beyond life, death, survival, and procreation becomes poetry. On the other hand, Freud the poet provides a formula for love, saying that the lover, and I quote, succeeds in bringing about a certain degree of synthesis between the unsensual heavenly love and the sensual earthly love, and his relation to his sexual object is characterized by the interaction of uninhibited instincts and of instincts inhibited in their aim. The depth to which anyone is in love, as contrasted with his purely sensual desire, may be measured by the size of the share taken by the aim-inhibited instincts of affection. There it is. Get the equation just right, the perfect balance of sexual release and sexual sublimation, and you have love.